Hello guys, this phone na the Tecno Spark 8C when Tecno recently launched. Now one of the phones for the Tecno Spark 8 series with very much affordable price. The price of the 2GB RAM variant of this phone na 62,000 naira, and if you compare am with the Spark 8, this phone use some small ways take better. First of all, welcome to Mega Liked Unboxing channel, and if you hit that subscribe button, your face go spark throughout today like the Spark 8C. No forget to like this video and tell me wetin you think for the comment section for bottom. This phone come inside this box with a quick specification on top. The body not to look like im brother Spark 8. In fact, I prefer this one design pass am. Next inside the box na the transparent flexible plastic bumper case. The two-legged charger come follow. I think I get small problem with this charger because obviously no be fast charger. Next na the USB 2.0 cable, the earpiece, and finally the SIM remover. The body of the phone are almost the same with the Spark 8 own, but them still maintain some differences. The volume and the power key dey the same sides. Them not dey use side mount fingerprint, so the two fingerprints dey back of the phone. Their top dey empty. SIM and memory card house dey the same side for the left corner. For the bottom, Spark 8C carry the speaker here along with charging port, microphone and audio jack. Spark 8 no carry speaker for bottom for here. E get im speaker for front of the phone for up near the front camera. If you plan to buy this phone, then you get the options to choose from one of the four colors: magnet black, iris purple, turquoise cyan, and diamond grey. With 5000 mAh battery, the phone dey last long for games and apps. Plus say the phone no too heavy to carry despite the battery capacity. One thing when I find exciting about this phone na the display. With 90Hz refresh rate and 720 by 1612 resolution, person go first think say the screen go underperform. But when you consider the display itself, how dey respond fast to touch, and the over 90% screen to body ratio when cover almost the whole front with im 6.6-inch HD plus dot notch screen, e only dey fair to give the display pass mark here. The phone dey support 4G browsing network. 5G dey beyond im reach. E get 2GB RAM variant when you fit expand to 3GB with another 3GB RAM variant. The two variants dey share the same ROM space, 64GB. The storage space to me dey low because default apps and data go collect from this storage space, so you go need memory card to take support the phone memory. The only challenge here na the RAM. 2GB RAM when you fit expand to 3GB RAM go only work as long as you install only few games and apps. If you use this phone for too long, e go fit overheat and gradually slow down the performance of the phone. For my own opinion, na the first problem with all these super affordable budget phones na be that. Talk about the processor, Tecno settle for MediaTek Helio A22 with Android 11 operating system. The HiOS version na 7.6 with many changes to the graphics, but the notification and quick settings areas still remain the same old one. Among some of the things when I like about this phone na the version 2.0 of the SoPlay app. This app when fit allow you create fine music beats with less time. Other Tecno and Infinix phones when I don review with this app, they run on version 1.0. This update dey so cool. Maybe you go need to try am for yourself one day and find out wetin I dey talk. The microphone no too dey reliable, especially for noisy area, but e dey manageable for indoor recording. The audio quality too no bad. Make we do small testing, so I'll just tap the record and it don't start to record. So hello, this one na the Tecno Spark 8C, and I dey test the audio recorder to see how e go clear reach. Alright, so time to test and see how clear the audio recorder be. Okay, I'll play the raw file straight so if you hear from here. First of all, make I stop the recording. So save and time to test. Play. And it don't start to record. So hello, this one now the Tecno Spark C8C, and I did test the audio recorder to see how it go clear reach. Alright, so time to test and see how clear the audio recorder be. Okay, I'll play the raw file straight so if you hear from here. First of all, make I stop. The camera of the phone now one area when Tecno for really work on. The 13 megapixel back camera only makes sense if you dey video something when really near. If you hope to zoom something far with them, then you dey on your own. The zooming scale na 4x, but I go rather go near the object and take my shot than to zoom with this phone. If you talk about the front camera, e no bad, e dey reliable when it comes to video calls and selfie. So guys, you go spend 62k for this Spark 8C, or you think say the phone cost for im performance? Tell me for the comment section for bottom. If you want to see why I compare the Spark 8C with the Spark 8P, click this video here, or click the second video to watch Spark 8 unboxing and review. See you for my next video.